Cisco Spaces. People and things are at the core of every building. When you connect all three, your buildings turn into smart spaces.
Hi, I'm Matt Sommer. I'm a technical solutions architect with Cisco Systems, and I'm here to talk about hybrid work. Behind me is a Webex board running Cisco Spaces. Cisco Spaces aggregates data that's primarily pulled from our video endpoints themselves, and can also grab that data from things like Meraki sensors. So behind us here is the floor plan of our Cisco Chicago office. This is a fully interactive map. We got labels on here. It shows us where things are, like bathrooms. We can zoom in and out. But best of all, we can find out what rooms are occupied when we get to the office and where we can go to work for the day. So on the left-hand side, we have a listing of meeting rooms, a room finder, which allows us to filter based on size of room, whether or not there's a video endpoint in there, and that kind of thing. So when you tap on room finder, it's going to allow you to say, okay, I need a room that's available for 60 minutes or more, has a capacity of 5 or more, and then I need a collaboration device in there. Once you do those things, it'll filter this list here that'll show you which rooms fit your need. And then you can tap on the one that you want that's available. It shows you where it is on the map because you zoomed in, so then you know how to navigate there from the lobby. It's also given us a quick overview of the whole floor, saying the occupancy today. This is a Friday morning in Chicago. It's very low. Indoor air quality, excellent. Temperature is on average kind of between all these, because we're pulling this information for all these rooms. But on average for the floor, it's 69 degrees and humidity is 21%. Tells us that data source is Cisco Webex. So it's pulling that from our video endpoints. Okay, so we also can do some wayfinding, right? On this floor, where are the restrooms? If I tap that, it colors all the restrooms in blue. Cool. Where's the cafeteria? Let's tap that. All right, up here, right? So we know that we're over here in the lobby by the elevators. That's where we have the screen to show all this, so then we can figure out how to navigate to it. Also, if we want to see what's going on in a specific room, if we tap it, it gives us all this information over here. This East Chatham room is a occupancy of 30. There's 0 people in there right now, and it would show us if it's booked later in the day. We would have that information on there. So maybe if we can find one that's booked later in the day. Here's one. Rainbow Beach is currently available, but at 2 o'clock today it's booked. So we know when it's available and when it's not. Nobody's in there currently. Shows our room air quality, that specific room. Room temperature, humidity, ambient noise. So you know kind of what the floor noise level is in that room. And if that's the room we want to use, we can tap hold room. So now it's going to put it on hold. You can see it turned the room blue. It will mark it on the wall outside. We have navigator panels, and on those panels it shows green for available, red for in use, and then it can change to blue when it's held like this briefly. So it'll hold it for 3 minutes to allow me to walk over here and navigate to it. Once I walk in the room, the video unit sees that I'm in there, and it marks it as occupied. So you'll see it turn red, kind of like Hyde Park down here. So Hyde Park is occupied as occupancy of 8. There's 1 person in there right now. This is utilizing data from our Cisco collaboration endpoints. So room bars, the room kits, our Desk Series, Desk Pro, Desk Mini, and all those, they can all count people in the room, even when they're not in an actual active call. They can count the people in the room. All of that data then is available via API that can be ingested with things like Cisco Spaces that we see here, or other third-party facilities management tools that are available out there that your facilities folks are using to manage your spaces. So all of that's available to use. So great little overview there. Hope you got a lot out of it. Thank you.